Hello and welcome to what can be an entirely new chapter in your journey on the road to becoming a successful business builder. Using the information you learn here can help you to finally achieve the lifestyle of your dreams. Let me state something that should be completely obvious. There's a right way and a wrong way to do just about anything. It all depends on you and your approach to it. You've got to ask yourself, why do some people struggle so hard to build a team, while others seem to be able to effortlessly enroll people at will? That is exactly the reason why we took the time to produce the 2 instructional videos included here. In the first one, you will learn specific strategies for each of the 4 different ways you'll be making your first contact with brand new prospects. You'll know what to say to get your conversation started in the best possible way when you get them on the phone. You'll also learn the most effective ways to handle leaving voicemail messages, sending texts, and email to get the best results. You'll even receive the map of the minefield to avoid the most common problems you have to contend with. Look, the best way to be able to close any prospect is to open well. That's what you'll learn how to do in the first video. Then, in the second training message, we'll reveal to you the systematic process that you will use to enroll new prospects after they've seen a presentation. First, you'll learn the 3 things every prospect must have answered in their minds before you can close anyone. Then, you'll get 6 specific questions to ask and the right order to ask them. You'll also learn what answers you need to be listening for. Using this procedure will allow you to stay in control of the conversation and maintain the power of your posture. Always remember, you have what they're looking for. A great way to earn money in a home-based business that provides them a flexible schedule. This is more like a job interview than a sales pitch. Apply these exact techniques and you will be able to easily enroll a limitless number of new reps without feeling uncomfortable or using any high-pressure tactics. One last thing before you listen to training lesson number 1. We encourage you to put aside any distractions. Pay close attention and take written notes. The information presented here is very dense. This is not going to be a bunch of philosophy, but practical steps to take. You'll want to be sure you comprehend it to the best of your ability so that you can use it effectively. Now, please prepare yourself and go ahead and listen to lesson number 1, the best ways to contact your prospects.